Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. This is a platform where we learn how to cut a pattern with different styles. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to cut a cropped top with fringe. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you how to cut it out. This is the paper we are going to be using today. So I will take my measurements. So I have the length of 17 inches length. Then I have 13.5 inches for the width of the pattern. So the top we are going to cut today, the crop top, is going to cut together with a sleeve. I will take my measurements now. 3 inches for the neck width and 3 inches for the neck depth. Then I'm going to connect the line. So this is the neckline, this is the neck width and the neck depth. I'm going to come down here by 1 inch for the slope, 1 inch for the shoulder slope. I'll connect it to meet neck width, 1 inch of shoulder slope to meet with the neck of 3 inches. So that is it. So after that, what we are going to do is to take the sleeve measurement. I'll be marking 8 inches for the sleeve opening. So that's 8 inches. And I will come down, I will mark 1 inch this way. Can you see it? So I will mark 1 inch here. And I'm going to mark a straight line down. I will mark a straight line here. Just mark straight line to meet the 1 inch that I marked. Then I'm going to mark a straight line here to meet with the shoulder slope. Mark the waist here, the waist of 39 inches. So 39 divided by 4, that is 9.75. So we are going to mark 9.75 inches. Then I'm going to mark 2 inches for the sewing allowance. What I'm going to do now is to mark a straight line down. So what you are going to do, you are going to curve this line down to meet the sewing allowance. Remember, I marked 1 inch here. This is it. This is 1 inch. Then from there, I'm going to mark a straight line down. What I have to do is curve the line now. Then you are going to connect it to meet with the. Can you see it now? So this is it. It's not hard to cut. It is very simple. This is it. So we are done. We are going to cut the crop top out. After cutting it out, I'm going to show you how to make the fringe. So, cut your neck depth out. Cut your neck line out. Remember, we marked 1 inch, so we are going to cut it out. Trim this out. This is the top. Now for us to cut, so you are going to mark 1 inch. You can mark 2 inches for your fringe. I will mark 1 inch. So 1 inch. Next thing is for us to mark a straight line. So you mark it straight down. This is the paper that we're going to use for the fringe. So I'm going to cut that side off. I've cut out the first fringe. So here's the second fringe. So I have different types of styles on my channel. So make sure you go there and watch. So I'm going to cut the other side out. So after cutting the fringe, we are going to fold the 1 inch into 1/2 inch. So you divide the 1 inch, so you fold the fringe this way. And after folding it into 2, you take it to the machine and stitch it down. After cutting the fringe, I have 5 fringes here. So let me measure the length. I have 17.5 inches for the length of my fringe. If you don't want to sew it, you can see it. I didn't sew it. I only press it down. You can use any gum this way. Then you put it in between. You put it in between and press it. It will be okay as well. So after doing that, what you have to do is to open your crop top. Then you place your fringe under it this way. Then you take it to the machine and stitch it. Take it to the machine and sew it down. You don't want a long fringe, you can cut it out. For instance, you can divide this into 2 where you want, but if you want to cut your fringe, it has to be 8 or 10 so that it can be full, or 12 if you want it to be full. And don't forget we are using this as illustration. So this is it. Then you take it to the machine and stitch it down. So this is 8. Then the other side as well, all you have to do is to place the paper pattern. You place it on your fabric this way. You cut it out and you can slit it here if you want to slit, so that you can use button at the back. But if not, you have to use 3.5 by 3. Kindly give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you check the channel, you will see various patterns that will be helpful to you. That is it. You can see it is very lovely and it is easy to cut. It is beginner friendly. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.